To see Pat's hair. Turn your head round, darling. Oops. Ah, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, lovely. Turn round.
She's done a good job, hasn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lovely, is that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mm.
She's had to go with the shape because I cut my own fringe.
Oh, to go.
It were getting on my nerves, so she's had to go with the shape that I did.
And I liked it when it used to curl up.
It'll get there again, no doubt.
Yeah, well, I've been up to post office today to post my book off to British Library. Is it, what do they call it?
Thorpe Arch.
British Library. I think it's called British Library at Thorpe Arch in near Wetherby in Yorkshire. To register the ISBN number for my book.
We used to go there on a fairly regular basis, didn't we, with your mum? Because there were places that you could go and have a look round there.
Yeah, there's a retail park. Well, there was.
Still.
They used to keep shutting down, didn't they?
Yeah.
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 So I've done a video, usual video today, because Pat's been gallivanting. But we've just finished cleaning attic windows, haven't we?
Yeah, outside, because they get all rain and dust and everything on them, don't they?
Yeah, I had to climb on the roof. She made me climb on the roof to do it.
Well, I were doing it.
I didn't.
Did the bathroom one, because that was open. But when it come to going into the bedroom, I couldn't open windows. So I shouted Trevor to come and open them. And he said, do you want me to do them by hand? I said, yeah, because I was using a mop
Because
thing.
they turn inside out, you can swivel them.
Yeah.
So you can do it outside window from inside. So you don't have to climb up the roof.
Mind you, is there 4 in bedroom?
4 in bedroom and 1 in bathroom, yeah. And they were all bad.
Yeah.
Needed doing.
They haven't been done for a long time.
No. So
we've just come for a rest and have a cuppa.
A rest and a cup of tea. Yeah.
Tracy should be home soon. She finished at
Said she finishes at 1:30 today, but I thought she'd be home. Mind you, she could be.
She could gallivant.
Gallivant. She does that.
She likes gallivanting.
Yeah, she does. All right. We'll see you later.
See you later.
Toodaloo. My arm's aching holding this phone up.